VEON stock, it closed the session of the 13th of April 2022 at $0.5836, a gain of 0.9%. I think 3.6 million shares crossed the tape during that session, which is regarded as below average. The news as at Tuesday the 12th is that VEON gets Nasdaq non-compliance notice over minimum bid price requirement. So it goes on here to say that it has received a notification that it was not in compliance with the minimum bid price requirement of the Nasdaq markets listing rule. Nasdaq requires listed securities to maintain a minimum bid price of $1 per share, and failure to meet the minimum bid price requirement exists if the deficiency continues for 30 consecutive business days. VEON has an initial grace period of 180 calendar days or until October 4th to regain compliance with the minimum bid price requirement according to the statement. So yes, that's what is going on. Has it for some time it has actually been below that $1 bid price. It has been below that. This is all the way back. When was the last time what was in compliance was sometime in February, mid-February. There was, I think, when the war in Iraq and Ukraine started, that was when it plunged to a 52-week low. But at then, before all that happened, it was pretty much I think it was gradually pushing up, as a matter of fact, trading above its 10 and 20-day moving averages. And then came that news, and because I think some of the investors in the company are Russians, and but I think they have since the company has since been excused, or has since been excused from any EU sanctions. So even though there were some involvement of some Russians at some point with the company. So what we know is for sure now, since that time, since it plunged all the way down to its 52-week low as of the 3rd of March 2022, stock has started to improve, as a matter of fact, and at some point, as of the 1st of April, it was trading above all of its 10 and 20-day moving averages. But since that time, it has cooled off now, and it's just been moving sideways. And we have some readout down here. It is saying that it appears to be rallying within a longer term bearish trend. Okay, it doesn't really look like it's rallying. It's been cooling off of late. It appears to be it's been cooling off of late and has been moving sideways. Yes, that has been the case. It's been moving sideways since it pulled back from here, from this pivot as of the 1st of April, as I indicated earlier, 0.73, and it's now down to 0.58. Is that would that be it's close to a correction, correct me, but since that time it's been moving pretty much sideways since the 6th of February. That's a couple of sessions now. It's been moving sideways, so I really can't see if that is will be called a rally. Okay, maybe it has gained some ground. Maybe that's why it's regarded as been having rallied. So, however, shares remain below a declining 200-day moving average, signifying that the dominant trend remains lower. Yes, it's still trading below its 200-day moving average. Momentum for VEON stock is strongly bearish. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is below 20, the level which many analysts call oversold. This means that investors have been actively selling shares and driving the price lower. The volume for the session of the 13th of April 2022 was lighter than usual, trading 3.407 million shares versus an average of 14.154 million shares per day during the last 12 months. The unbalanced volume indicator is bullish. The slope of the indicator is positive and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. So buyers are taking advantage of this. I'm supposing the fact that it's oversold, and they have just become more active than sellers. That is what the unbalanced volume indicator is signaling. This is the unbalanced volume indicator. That is what it's signaling that buyers have since become more active than sellers. They have taken advantage of the fact that the stock is oversold. You see that? So So momentum precedes price action. So since it's oversold now, the implication of that is that it's going to come out from that, and that is what buyers have since taken advantage of. So we have also crunched some of the statistical facts about VEON stock. So it closed at $0.58, but its one standard deviation trading range is this 0.69 to 0.76. So it's trading at a discount. So this is also what buyers are also looking at as well. It is trading at a discount, yes. And also for the last 20 trading sessions, so this is also the range, pretty much the same as the 10-day range. So as you can also see, it's also trading at a discount to that trading range. So normally, statistically, this is the range. These are the ranges it's supposed to be trading. If you look at it from the 10-day perspective, last 10 trading sessions, and the perspective of last 20-day trading sessions. So it's not trading in that range. So this is, amongst other things, probably why buyers have since become more active than sellers. And so the last 10 trading, the moving averages for the last 10 and the 10 and 20 day moving 10 and 20 day moving averages are 0.63. They are somewhat approximately, they are just pretty much the same, 0.63. So the probability that VEON stock will close below those moving averages is 53.19%. That is given using the data for the last 20 trading sessions. So it is slightly more likely that it will still remain around where it is right now, or at least not above $0.63. This is where it is, those moving averages are. So based on how things are right now, it is still expected it is expected that it would trade to still remain where it is at the moment. And obviously the likelihood or the probability that it will close above those moving averages will simply be 51 minus 53, 0.5319. So the probability that it will close above those moving averages, the 10 and 20 day moving average. Let me show you, those are moving averages. These two moving averages, they are just right here. See them here, the two of them, this one and this one. So the probability that it will close above them is 46.81%. So it is pretty much even. Pretty much even. So our target is $0.94 in the short term. Our target, short term, long term, 0.94. Our initial target of 0.55 has since been met and exceeded. So this is our new target of 0.94. This will take it all the way somewhere here, and that will take it above its 50-day moving average. So see what you make of VEON stock, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.